Why does your scanner show the P1519 engine code? What does it mean? P1519 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner control, fault stuck closed. This engine code indicates that the IMRC valve, which regulates airflow for optimal engine performance, is not opening when commanded. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Stuck IMRC actuator, vacuum leak, wiring or sensor issues, damaged IMRC valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Acura, Honda, and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.